This is the review of the My Type Mag AR15 wall mount. Came with a little lock, some drywall anchors and some screws. They'll go into the 4 screw holes. The AR15 will go into the magazine with a retainer. Has a place for Generation 3 Magpul magazines, and then a little pass-through for the lock to go in. And there's a couple different ways you can use that lock. The instruction card tells you how to reset your little lock. I have it set to 0s right now. Standard little lock. And we'll you have to operate the mag release and pry it up. Which is hard to do with one hand. So but it's very robust. I cannot bend it. I've stood on it. I'm 250 pounds. I'm not using the wall anchors. I would assume that the wall anchors pull out of the drywall way before this unit breaks, so I'm very pleased. It's very thick, very sturdy, very robust. If you're using the lock, sometimes you might be able to use a trigger guard if it's part of the receiver. Mine is not, so that wouldn't work. But you're just looking for enough to where if you pull the mag release, it wouldn't be able to go up above. Can't pull this left, can't pull this right. So it's kind of locked in place. Different versions of that. And then that just goes right through.